Now, we have to remind you about the switch, the protection switch. If the window is open, if we operate the machine, run the machine, then there will be alarming, so that the machine protected, please escape. This region is because there is a protecting switch here. If we close the window. If we close the window, then we run the machine. It's okay. There is no alarming. So that's the function of the protection switch. Because the protection switch, we have to open the window during the laser pass testing. So we have to use a magnet iron steel to paste on the switch. So we can test so that we can test the laser beam pass. Finish.